Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn a new instruction which is called load FSR or load file select register. The keyword is Lfsr, and Lfsr is an instruction which is very specific instruction and used in a specific mode which is called immediate register indirect mode. So LFSR is basically used to fill some address of any of the file register. You know that there are many file register values present in file register. So there are one of the, for example, I'm interested to point this address, right? So this address, which is 000, can be stored in file select register. And for this purpose, in a special function register, which is again the part of file select register or file register, there are six SFRs, FSR0H, FSR0L. They both constitute file select register 0, then FSRH and FSR. Okay, this is basically FSR1L. So FSR1H and FSR1H constitute file select register 1. Similarly, FSR2 and FSR2H and FSR2L constitute file select register 2. So there are three file select registers which can be used to point any of the address, right? For example, I want to point this address 00 hex, right? So I can actually load this address in any of the file select register, and for that purpose I will be using load FSR instruction. So that can be uh, load FSR, right? And then we have to mention the D bit, and D bit is basically here it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, because there are how many file select register? Three file select register starting from 0 and 1 and 2, right? So basically it could be 1, right? It could be 2, it could be 1, or it could be 0. So let's say I'm interested in FSR 0 only, so I will write 0 comma, and I want to point this address 000, right? So I will just write 00 hex. So what is going to happen? File select register, which is 12, which is a basically 16-bit address, 16-bit register. Using these two 8-bit values, they will have this address, which is what? 000. So what is going to happen? FSR0H will become 00 hex. Furthermore, FSR0L will become what? 00 hex, right? Actually, you can see that it is a 12-bit address, but FSR0 uh, or FSR1 or FSR2 is basically 16-bit register. So most significant bit, this most significant 4 bits is basically always 0, right? So now FSR0 or file select register is pointing what? 00 hex. So I can actually use this address indirectly using file select register. And for this purpose, there is a special register called INDF, right? INDF is again, there are three different registers: 0, it could be 1, or it could be 2. So for file select register 0, we have INDF 0, right? So this is also indirect register, and it is also present in a special function register. So we're gonna use this register because uh, we are basically working on what? FSR 0 register or file select 0 register, right? Okay, how I'm gonna use it? Let's say I want to put this value 32 hex into this 00 hex register, right? So I can simply write only if I'm working on only move file to file, I can simply write 01 hex comma 00. That means 01 hex data will move from 01 to 00, right? But I want to use this indirect mode. So what I'm gonna write: move file to file indirect file 0. Indirect file is related with what? FSR0, and FSR0 is currently holding what address? 00 address, right? So I can simply write move file to file 01 hex comma indirect file 0. So that means whatever the address which is present in FSR0, right, which is right, which is what? 000. So what is going to happen? 01 hex content will be copied into the location whose address is stored in file select register, which is basically what? 25, which is 00 hex. So this content will get modified after the execution of this instruction. So it will become 32 hex. I hope you have understand this instruction. Still, if you have any confusion, about this load file select register instruction, or LFSR, or file select register 0, file select register 1, or indirect file 012. So you can actually post your queries and come in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.